Hey y'all, Jen Hernandez, Loan with Jen. Today we're talking about why the interest rate really doesn't matter. Stay tuned, you want to watch this one. Okay, we're back. Hey, before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe. We release 2 videos a week on home buyer tips and tricks, whether you're buying or selling or refinancing. We've got a hub of videos to help educate you along the way. Okay, why does the interest rate really not potentially matter? Well, the making of this video is 2021 and the market is hotter than ever. Inventory is tight. Really, when you're putting a contract in, you're putting sometimes really big earnest money up. So a few things to consider is, number one, is that lender going to be able to close on time? From experience, I can tell you that the lenders that have the too good to be true lowest rate are usually super busy. Are they properly staffed to handle your closing? Whatever that closing timeline might be, are you going to be on time? Number 2, who is your contact person going to be? Are you going to be calling a 1-800 number with a 5-digit extension, getting in the queue and talking to a different person every time? Or do you have a dedicated contact that understands your concerns, responds to you quickly with all correspondence, email, phone? What are their hours of operation? Are they available by text if you have something super urgent? So those things are very important to think about, that sometimes when you're trying to meet a certain timeline and you've got thousands and thousands of dollars of earnest money at stake, are a little bit more important than the interest rate. Okay, the next thing that I want to encourage you to think about, I'm really big on local lenders. You'll see in almost all of the videos that I make that I say talk to your local lender. A local lender is going to understand the dynamics of your specific marketplace, your city, what's the vibe. Their appraiser list is probably a little more fine-tuned with a tight zip code filter to make sure that the proper appraiser that knows that area is assigned to the appraisal. Sometimes, unfortunately, the larger companies will assign a mass number of appraisers to a mass number of markets. And so you might have someone that's really outside of their market area because that lender just they might not understand the local market dynamics. A possibility, not always 100% true, but things for you to think about. Again, in this day and age and how fast properties are moving, there's so much more at stake that can make or break your transaction. And the interest rate, if it's maybe an 1/8 or 1/4% higher or lower than another lender, these are other things you might want to consider that can really be imperative later on to getting this closed on time, accurately, with tons of communication, as little stress as possible, because we all know time is money. Okay, hope you learned a lot of talking points from this video. Good luck with your home purchase. Talk to you soon. Legacy Mutual Mortgage is an equal housing opportunity lender. The opinions expressed here do not reflect those of Legacy Mutual Mortgage.